Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Graph the equation 5x minus 2y equals 10 using the standard form method. Find both intercepts algebraically, plot them on a graph, and draw the line. Then determine 3 points that lie on this line and verify that each one satisfies the original equation. Now let us work through the solution step by step. Our equation 5x minus 2y equals 10 is already in standard form, where a equals 5, b equals negative 2, and c equals 10. The cleanest way to graph a line from standard form is to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept. 2 points determine a unique line, so that is all we need. To find the x-intercept, I substitute y equals 0 into the equation because the line crosses the x-axis exactly where y is 0. So 5x minus 2 times 0 equals 10 simplifies to 5x equals 10, giving x equals 2. The x-intercept is the point 2, 0. To find the y-intercept, I substitute x equals 0 because the line crosses the y-axis where x is 0. So negative 2y equals 10, which means y equals negative 5. The y-intercept is the point 0, negative 5. Let me also solve for y to get slope-intercept form. Subtracting 5x from both sides gives negative 2y equals negative 5x plus 10. Dividing everything by negative 2 gives y equals 5 halves x minus 5. The slope is 5 halves and the y-intercept is negative 5, confirming both of our earlier intercepts. Using the slope-intercept form, I will pick 3 convenient x values and compute y. When x is negative 2, y equals negative 10. When x is 4, y equals 5. When x is 6, y equals 10. So my 3 points are negative 2, negative 10, 4, 5, and 6, 10. Now I verify each of the 3 points by substituting them back into the original equation. For negative 2, negative 10, 5 times negative 2 minus 2 times negative 10 equals negative 10 plus 20, which equals 10. Check. For 4, 5, 20 minus 10 equals 10. Check. For 6, 10, 30 minus 20 equals 10. Check. All 3 points lie on the line. Here's the graph of the line. It crosses the x-axis at 2, 0 and the y-axis at 0, negative 5. The steep upward slope of 5 halves is visible. For every 2 steps to the right, the line climbs 5 steps up. The point 4, 5 is also plotted as a third verification point. To summarize, the x-intercept is 2, 0, found by setting y to 0. The y-intercept is 0, negative 5, found by setting x to 0. In slope-intercept form, the equation is y equals 5 halves x minus 5, confirming a slope of 5 halves. We also verified 3 extra points, negative 2, negative 10, 4, 5, and 6, 10, all of which satisfy the original equation. The general strategy for standard form: zero out one variable to find each intercept, plot, and draw your line. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.